Welcome to our new kitchen. So this is the bed that I want, guys. Hey guys, good morning. So for today's video, we're here in Arsuwili and we're going to look for the furnitures. Have furnitures, appliances, flooring, electronics, everything they have here. I'm gonna bring you inside, guys. This is how you open. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is just perfect babe, for our place. No? The size. Yeah. It's nice. I like this color.
Yeah, that is cool.
2799 if it's the whole set for
Yeah.
this,
Doesn't
including
include
this. This is for the big space.
Yeah. Living room ain't that big. Kind of cool setup.
Here,
You
yeah.
like this couch?
This one is cute too, but it's so blue.
Yeah.
It matched with this color.
Yeah.
This bed is nice too, but
I
it's
like it.
is it queen size or?
Oh, you can get it in queen, I'm sure.
Oh, that's 599.
250 for the side.
It's only 549.
I know, it's not bad, huh?
Yeah,
It wouldn't work for our house. We have a fireplace.
I know. It's a nice table too.
Here's the. You want to get this?
1,199.
Just record it so that we know what to look at.
But it's like, I mean, it's nice, but it's a little bit bigger. Maybe I want a, yeah, I'm not sure.
Let's keep going.
Cute, meron silang ano dito. Bear. Fountain na maliit. Ang ganda. Wow. Yan yung mga bedroom na gusto ko. Babe, this is the style that I want. Like, for sure this is my husband's style that he wants to. Like, barn. Ang ganda, no? Hello, cute. Hindi siya bagay sa aming room. Pero ang ganda. $3,699 for the bed alone. Thank you. Hello, ang ganda. Beautiful. This is the one that you want, baby. Gonna put in. This one is nice too. My husband likes this. Put it in the kitchen. This one. Ganda rin. My husband likes this one. But 1499.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's
I think
for
I
a
like
group.
the other one more, but that's good.
Yeah, because a group it's only 2,799. But it seems like it's not a good design for our house. I don't know.
Ah, it's too dark.
Yeah, I know it's too dark.
That's why I like the other one better.
This one is much better.
But if we had chairs like this, but a little lighter for that one,
Yeah.
it'd be perfect.
This one is cute too. Pero hindi siya match sa sa bahay. Ito din ang ganda.
You like it?
It's 1149. So this is way more cheaper compared sa isa na. Ay, ito pala. Ay, hindi. Pero ito nakita ko. This one is nice. This is the one that I saw. It's only 999.
It's nice, huh?
It's only 999. 399. This is the couch. 890. This is way more cheaper compared to the other one.
Yeah, but it might just be that one couch. It is.
But you think it will gonna fit in the house? We're just gonna get that or this
Yeah,
style. So this one it's 819. This one is 799. It's nice too. Small cabinet. This is 849. It's bigger. This one is cheaper. 799. It's 799 for this. It's like for kids.
Yeah.
It's like for kids. This one is nice too. 949. Queen size, I guess.
Hey, Mike.
Kaya dito guys. Mga massager. You think, babe, because our bed, it's a massager. So if you're gonna get a queen size bed, maybe we can put it there. The massager.
Yeah.
If it, yeah, that's what I'm
I don't think
thinking.
they'll build a massager ones.
Maganda rin. $799 for this. It's like a modern style. Not bad. This one. Color that I want. This is a nice color too. Yeah. Magaganda, guys. Because it got a drawer. So, and this is the small, babe. It's just the small size. I like this one. $649 for group. Pwede pang lagyan ng gamit, ng mga damit. Oh. Oh, this is the bed that I want. This is the one that I want, babe.
Is it?
Yeah. Parents. Ito yung sa parents niya. Ito yung style sa kanilang bedroom. I like this one, babe.
You like it? I mean,
Ito maganda din. Mas mura siya. King size ito. Mas mahal. Can put some books. Let's see. It's perfect for his bedroom. $1,299 for the group.
good.
$199. Cute. Ganda. This color is way more beautiful. Guys, ang ganda. Ayan. Tapos ito. Wow, cute. I like the setup. How much is it? It's cute. Oof. So, mga outdoor stuff, $449. Ito yung mga grilling. Mag-grill sa labas. Ang ganda rin. Barbecue. Kami sa clearance. Tingin-tingin kami dito sa mga clearance, guys. Mostly mga leather. $499 each. Oh, 50%. Babe, 405.
Yeah.
Maganda din siya.
Problem with this section is that you're not going to find something actually.
Ha?
It's not sold in the set. It's just this.
Mm.
Won't sell it.
Ito, $1,039. Pero parang almost the same din sa mga sa mga bago. Mga clearance sila ng mga mirror. Lagay mo siya sa kilid ng bed. Yung design iba na naman. Maybe this one is just mga ganito lang. Ito, guys, gusto ko din kasi mura lang siya. $300, tapos yan $19 na lang yung mirror. So, parang match din siya sa bed na yun. This mura lang kasi naka-sale. At ito, lalagay mo sa mga corner. How much ba ito? 200. I like this one. Ganyang set. Mas mura siya. Lagyan ng mga extra na gamit.
The arch.
I like this.
No, like this.
This one. Yeah. Lalagay sa mga corner. Lagyan ng mga plato. That's $1,499, $1,799, and $1,499. Oh, it's outside.
Same with this one. Nice though. Be outside.
$1,499. This one is clearance. Dark color. RC Willie. And this one for the dining table. Maganda din siya. Maliit lang yung kanyang space. At 2,399 for a group. Mas mahal siya. Nakita ko dito na parang mura-mura, 1,000 plus. Not sure this one. Oh, ito, 1,199. Oh, this is the one that I saw, babe. The cheaper one. Ay, oo. Ala, this one is nice too. I like this one.
I wish it was a little longer, but it's nice.
Yeah. But it's just enough for us.
Might be fine for the kitchen. Put by
Oh,
the kitchen.
in the diet. Ganda din. Oh. Ito yung kulay na ano, gusto ko din. 1,599. Ano siya,
You want me to take your picture by this bed?
I'm in here. I'm in here, babe. Yes. Yung picture ko, guys. Kasi ito yung favorite ko. Is it the camera? Let me see.
Good.
Wait.
That was getting the whole thing in there. That's why.
Oh, yeah, like that, like that.
That's what we did.
Okay. I'm just gonna smile. Just hold it for like 5 seconds. Like that. So this is the bed that I want, guys. Siguro ito na lang yung nagustuhan ko. Lahat-lahat na lang. Pero ang ganda niya, ha. Yan yung setup. Ayan sana yung gusto ko, yung parang ganyan sa kanila. Kaso lang, medyo malaki. So itong space, mas maliit lang siya. At madaming makaupo dito. Yes, oh. Ganda niya. Picture lang muna ako dito. Massage chair for your back. Yeah.
Look over here.
That's crazy. It's pretty expensive. $8,499. Almost $500,000 na, guys. Oh, this one yung $500,000. 10,999. And then pang exercise, $899. Ay, ito yung favorite ko na ano, na place. No, ang ganda. Wait, not yet. Take a video of me. Ito. Ito yung favorite ko talaga, guys. Can you see me? No, ang ganda. Beautiful. Pag yayaman ako, bibili ako nito. This area. Dream. My dream kitchen. Ganda ng kulay. Napakaganda, ha. Mga stove. Ang mahal din pala ng mga stove, no? 2,500, 3,500. Microwave. We need to look for microwave. This one
This
is,
is nice.
yeah.
Look at this.
Oven and microwave. Set up the whole thing. Ang ganda, guys. 30,000 for this. And pero ano na, isang set na yan siya. Diba, ang ganda, no?
You get a little,
15,000. This one is cheaper.
yeah, but you want the one that includes the whole setup.
Including the refrigerator. This one?
And it also includes this. See, this is next to the refrigerator.
Oh, freezer.
That's included. Look at that huge fridge.
Nice.
Pretty cool.
This is the freezer.
I wonder if you can get it out now. Put this in. You know what I'm saying? So that it would have a brand new kitchen, basically.
Ito maganda rin. Isang set, no? Madami lang sanang pera. Next time. Next time na lang muna. Long cute. Ito yung ano. Ito, medyo ano din siya. Medyo mali. Ano, maganda rin. Pero para sa mga ano to, big space. To our new kitchen. Yung kanilang mga refrigerator. 2,899. 1,600. Ito medyo mura-mura. 1,600. 1,399. Nasa 1,000 plus. 1,499. Kasi pwede kang ano, mga ano dyan. Parang cellphone. Naghanap-hanap lang muna kami ng mga design or yung mga style. Fairness, ang gaganda ha. May time pa tayo na magtingin-tingin. Kuha ka ng mga sets. Can you take a picture of me, babe? Pupunta kami ngayon, guys. Nandito pa kami sa RC Willie. So, pupunta kami sa sa Kultura Cafe. So, Filipino restaurant dito sa Rocklin. So, na ako, guys, sa restaurant. Bibili ako ng aming lunch. Ayan. Sa asawa ko, doon ko siya bibilhan, Mexican restaurant. Kasi yan yung favorite niya, burrito. At sa akin, dito ako sa may Kultura Cafe. So, Filipino food, ice cream, boba, drinks, and more. Wow. May fans tayo dito, guys.
I follow you po. I follow you.
Naka-live, hello.
Hello. Nagsa-vlog.
Nag-Sacramento po kayo, right?
Oo, Hindi, sa ano pala? Sa malayo. Oo.
Just traveling?
Oo, ano lang. Kasi pumunta kami. Oo, last time. Okay.
Live lang din?
Thank you. May fans tayo. Followers pala dito. Yung nabayaran ko, ano siya, $29.96. Ito. Sarap. $7 pala ito. Picture, ha? Dito ko lagay para makita ko sa vlog.
Mas magaling na po. Napanood ko yung last time eh. Ano po, Isaiah Rose. Nakapalo din ako dun sa
At nandun sa
Nice to meet you.
So, nandito na ako, guys, sa Mexican restaurant.
You're gonna come with
Kasi,
Yeah.
thank you. No, that's all. Yeah, that's all. Burrito. No. Just no salsa. That's all good. No salsa. Okay, thank you. Ang galing nila mag-focus. Yung mga pinamili ko, guys, dito na lang kami magla-lunch. Lemonade, this for you.
Thank you.
And quesadilla for Bibi here. And lemonade. And then, should I put cheese? I'll just put it inside. And sa akin naman, guys, arroz caldo at siopaw. Papasok sa loob. Ay, grabe. Okay. That's good.
Can I have my burrito?
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
Okay. Arroz caldo. Ay, malaki na pala yung arroz caldo.
Hold yourself.
Ako guys. I'm hungry. I'll try this, baby. Just try it. It's yummy. I want to make this for you if you want.
And that's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.